If you look in the next 10, 15 years, we're going to see an increase in population of about 1 billion. We're going to see major changes in terms of the proportion of the world that lives in urban as opposed to rural environments, with the urban increasingly dominating. Now, agriculture is going to be key. Agriculture is going to be key to bring people out of poverty, but also to use the power of agriculture to actually improve the nutrition of those people who have a terrible diet at the present.
This particular panel will help with policies to improve access to food for a lot of vulnerable populations.
Malnutrition has a huge social cost and economic impact. It could respond for a loss of as much as 5% in the global economy because of loss of productivity and healthcare costs.
It is true that we have achieved substantial gains in knowledge that positively impacted food production in many parts of the globe. However, progress in improving the nutrition and health of poor farmers and consumers in developing countries is still very slow. It is time to look for new and creative ways to strengthen the concept of nutrition security, linking strategies in food, nutrition, and health.
All the global panel members, they come from the different continents. They are practitioners, they are players. They can contribute. We can get the leaders, the leadership of countries to focus more on nutrition.
This panel has an enormous opportunity to reframe the way we think about the food and nutrition needs of the current generation and the coming generation.
Even in countries that have abundant agricultural production, this is no guarantee. The people in those countries will have access to the adequate, reliable food supplies that they need to be healthy and to live active and productive lives.
We need to make sure that we are looking and paying attention to nutrition aspects of productivity or of all the activities across the value chain.
This requires both a scientific as well as a policy response to put together all of these essential human needs and ensure that both undernutrition as well as the burgeoning problem of obesity and overweight are tackled appropriately, and that our agricultural policies are better aligned to public health and nutrition concerns.
The role that I see for the panel is organizing international and national workshop for disseminating the knowledge that has been generated so that there's an impact on policy at the country and also at the international level.
Our goal is to make sure that no child goes hungry, that we are able to feed every child, and every mother actually has the nutrients that they need to bring up more nutritious and well-fed kids in the world.
Agricultural policies and practice must include nutrition goals, and they must put the nutritional needs of the youngest and most vulnerable children at the heart of agricultural policies.
Agriculture and nutrition subserve the larger purpose of ensuring adequate and appropriate nutrition to every individual on earth.
There is no doubt in mind that we can end hunger and malnutrition in a sustainable way.
The panel should find ways and means to impart this crucial message everywhere to improve quality of life for mankind.